Welcome to Shorr Packaging. We're excited that you're visiting with us to hear about employment opportunities that we have available with our warehouse operations team. For over 100 years, Shorr has been the leader in providing custom packaging solutions for customers across the nation with their packaging, supply chain, and logistics needs. At Shorr, employees are also owners. We've had an employee stock ownership plan for nearly 40 years. As employee owners, we work hard to meet our customers' needs every day. We love what we do, and we have a deep stake in our company's future. Warehouse operations are a critical part of our business. Efficient warehouse operations ensures that Shorr ships and receives custom packaging for our customers all across the United States. Whether it's receiving, inventory management, shipping, stocking, picking, or ordering, our distribution team does it all. Passionate, dedicated people have always been the driving force at Shorr. If you're looking for an opportunity to join a winning team that drives results and where you are an employee owner, consider a career with Shorr Packaging.